Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine, students. I am also fine. Okay, shall we start the lesson? We have completed 5 lessons, but we have left some portion in second and third lesson, that deleted portion of the last year. Okay, that I am going to teach you now. We will complete all the portion. Okay. So in the second lesson, we have omitted this accounting standards. Okay, their accounting standards. We have studied in that lesson about all the concepts and conventions of accounting. Okay, the third that heading is accounting standards. What are these accounting standards? How it is helpful? Okay, these accounting standards, they are like the framework. We know to keep a photo, we do the frame first, isn't it? So within that framework only we keep that photo. So if the framework is large one, we have to keep a large photo, isn't it? So these accounting standards are also acting as the framework. And norms. Norms means the rules and regulation, conditions, okay, all those things. So this framework and norms that should be followed in accounting, okay, then only we can have the comparison of the financial records, financial statements with the different enterprises. Okay, so if we keep this accounting standards, if we follow the accounting standards only, we can have comparison between 2 or 3 organizations. Okay, because if we follow this framework and norms universally by all accountant of the whole world, then we can have the consistency. That means permanently we will follow the same principles. Okay, same framework, same norms, same standards will be followed. So there will be consistency and comparability will be there. So comparability, we can say different organizations records can be compared, or same organization's records of different years can be compared. Okay, then it will be adequacy will be there. Adequacy means adequate, that very correct, exact profit, exact financial position. Adequacy will be there, and there will be reliability. Every person can rely on the that accounting records, accounting statements, financial statements. Okay, so there will be consistency, comparability, adequacy and reliability of the financial reporting. So here one definition is given by Kohler. Okay, what he has said, accounting standards are codes of conduct. Code, okay, that should be followed. Code of conduct imposed by customs. Okay, custom means our tradition or law. Some law will be there as per the law, or the professional bodies, maybe the regulatory bodies. Okay, that professional bodies, they will be given some code of conduct. Okay, why? For the benefit of the accountant, public accountant, and all the accountants generally. Okay, that is the definition given by Kohler. Okay, what is accounting standards? Accounting standards are codes accounting standards, okay, or codes of conduct imposed by customs, law or professional bodies. Why? For the benefit of the public accountants. Okay, by public accountants and accountants generally. Okay, all the accountants. So we can say again, what are these accounting standards? Accounting standards are the written policy documents. Okay, it is written everything clearly. Written policy documents issued by some expert accounting body or by the government, okay, or other regulatory body covering the aspect of recognition, okay, recognition, then measurement, treatment of what? All accounting transactions and events in the financial reports, in the financial statement. How we have to measure, how we have to treat some of the item. Okay, how we have to present, that presentation of some of the items. Everything will be clearly defined. That is called accounting standards. Okay. Now, we should learn what are the need, why we should have this accounting standards. Okay, why we should follow the accounting standards, that we should know. Okay, why we should have a better understanding of financial statements. If they follow the same rules and regulation, everybody can understand. Okay, so profit will be disclosed by the profit and loss account that we know, isn't it? So they can promote better understanding of the financial statements. Okay, then second need, that it helps the accountant to follow the same or the uniform procedures and policies. Procedures and policy. The accountant can follow the same accounting procedures. Okay, uniform following. Everybody should follow uniformly the same procedures and policies. Third one, then we can have comparison. We studied there, isn't it? Comparison can be made of the comparison of what? The financial statements of different companies. Okay, different companies or different organizations. Okay, that should be done. Then the other need, it enhances the reliability. We have studied now each one. Consistency, comparability, adequacy, reliability. Okay, reliability is there. And we can meet the legal requirements. If the court of law asking to submit the financial reports, if there is any dispute is registered in the court of law, they will require, they will offer, they will demand the company to submit their financial statement in order to meet the legal requirements. Okay, so now we will learn the next heading, International Financial Reporting Standard. Reporting standards. Okay, IFRS. Okay, International Financial Reporting Standards. Okay, International Financial Reporting Standard. Commonly we have studied what is accounting standard. Now internationally, which organization we have, who is framing these policies, okay, who is issuing this accounting standard internationally, that we are going to learn. Okay, then we will learn about our Indian standard. Okay, now this International Financial Reporting Standards, it is issued by, who is issuing these standards? By International Accounting Standard Board. International Accounting Standard Board. Okay, it is called IASB. Okay, who is issuing this one? This International Financial Reporting Standards are issued by the International Accounting Standard Board, IASB. Okay, now we should know what are International Financial Reporting Standards. Okay, it is a set of standards. Okay, what it is? They are a set of standards. What they state, how we have to record, how to record some of the financial transactions in the financial, that means in the books of records, books of accounts. Okay, how to record the transactions and events. That's all. It is a set of standards are issued by this International Accounting Standard Board. Okay, they issue this International Financial Reporting Standard. What are they? They are a set of standards. They explain how to record that transactions and other events in the financial statements. So the standards which are issued by this board is acceptable. It is accepted universally throughout the world. Okay, universally it is accepted by almost all the accountants throughout the world. They accept because it is an international board. Okay, they issue the standards, so it is accepted by everyone universally, all the accountants, because we can have comparison. Our company accounts can be compared with the accounts of companies which are situated outside India. Okay, throughout the world. Now we will learn about the accounting standards in India. Okay, accounting standards in India. Their international accounting standards are issued by one board, isn't it? Here in India, these accounting standards are issued by whom? Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Okay, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. CACA we are saying, isn't it? What is the full form? Chartered Accountant of India. What is the short form, that acronym? ICAI. Okay, that institute is called ICAI. This institute only is issuing the standards of accounting, that accounting standards in India. Okay, this institute, it has appointed a council. Okay, there is a council. That council is called Council of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. That there is a council. Okay, like a committee. They have one committee. That committee name is called Council of ICAI. Okay, they have constituted one board. Okay, this Council of ICAI, they have established one board. Okay, there also we have international one board, isn't it? The same way here also we have a board, Accounting Standard Board. Accounting Standards Board. It is called ASB. Accounting Standard Board. They have established this on 21st April 1977. For 1 mark, you should know all these things. That's why I am explaining clearly. Okay. This, in India, who is issuing this accounting standards? Accounting standards are issued by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. It is called ICAI. Okay. There is a council. Council of ICAI. It has constituted one board. Okay. That board is called Accounting Standards Board, ASB. On 21st April 1977. Okay. Here, this board only formulates the accounting ASB. Okay, this accounting standard board only formulates the forms. Okay, formulate means they only frame. Okay, they only frame the accounting standards in India. Okay, accounting standards in India. Here, they will consider many things. Okay, this ASB, when they formulate the accounting standards, they will consider the law, then custom, Okay, law of our country, our custom, then usage. Some of the rules we will use from the beginning. Okay, then our business environment. Okay, our environment is different from the foreign environment, isn't it? And finally, they will consider the international accounting standards. Okay, international accounting standards. When they formulate the accounting standards. Okay, this board only formulates the accounting standards. When they frame the accounting standards, they will consider the law, custom, usage, then business environment, and finally the international accounting standards, which is published by the international board. Okay, now we know, because of this that globalization, okay, liberalization, many countries, all countries have come under one roof, isn't it? All the accounts are that universally accepted principles only followed by all the accountants. Okay, so our accounting standards, Indian accounting standard, and with the international accounting standards, now they have passed one new accounting standard, that is called IND, Indian Accounting Standard. Okay, new one. Now this Indian accounting standards is followed by the large organizations. Okay, large organizations, big companies, they follow this standard, Indian accounting standard. Okay, with our accounting principle, including with this one, everything they will consider. So they have come into a conclusion that we should follow this Indian accounting standards. But they think in future the small organizations also should follow this IND accounting standards. That means Indian accounting standards. Okay, students, this I have completed with this one. Then accounting standards you have to mark, that I will mark and give you in the Zoom class. Okay, students, thank you very much.